Hey guys, what's up? Just cleaning up that corner of my room, and I'm debating if I want to tackle my makeup area. I think I'm gonna save it for this weekend because I just want to kind of dedicate like a whole day for that. I've been putting this off. 1 suitcase here, 2 suitcase here, 3 suitcase here full of makeup. I don't think all these boxes are makeup. And then we have this. I did get ready once, so I have like some makeup that I used. But other than that, everything is still in the Ziplocs from when I packed it all. So we're gonna put it back into my Alex drawers and do something. Ooh, this sun. So I'm gonna start working on the Alex drawers first. And I don't remember where everything exactly went. Luckily, I did film my vanity tour before I disassembled it, so I'm low-key gonna like go back to my own video and watch how everything was set up. But I do know that these were on the top, but I'm gonna clean them first because they're kind of dirty. I'm gonna use a wipe because I might as well clean everything up as I'm putting it away. I guess I could only find 2 of my lipstick bags, and I know this isn't all of them, but I can't find the rest. So I guess I'll just do what I have for now. I'm on the second drawer and I already don't remember. I remember what goes in here, but I don't remember like which containers I used for anything. So I'm actually going to watch my own video. Let's see. Let's skip to the good stuff. This is the drawer I'm on, so let's do this. Nudes and my colorful lippies. So this is why it's super easy to pack and unpack is I packed everything per container kind of. So now I can just empty it out into the container. Next, we have powders. In this bag here, plus this bag. So I think it's these 2 bags here. Again, I really should and recommend to take pictures if you're going to put it back how you had it before. Take pictures of everything, because if I didn't post this video, I would be lost and just, you know, redoing everything. So
what a marvelous thing. Seriously, such a great thing. How quick.
Wow. You're so spoiled. Okay, so day 2 of tackling the beauty area. I emptied out 1 suitcase, 1 box, half of this suitcase. I finished all of the drawers, so everything is, I don't remember what went here, so I think there's just miscellaneous, like, small stuff that I'm gonna find to put in these drawers, but everything is pretty much the same from before I moved. I just watched my old video to kind of remember what everything looked like. I did get rid of, it didn't look much, but I did get rid of some things that I just knew I wouldn't use. This one is kind of messed up. I don't remember how it was before. I also feel like I got way more palettes, so this drawer is packed, like nothing else will fit in. It's working. Oops. Maynard is putting the wires behind the wall so that you can't see the wires, but I can't see, but the insulation is really fluffy, so I'm out of breath.
Look, go up and down the stairs.
Yeah. So he had to buy this magnetic kit that will hopefully. Ooh. So it's a magnetic kit to use to pull the wires down. First attempt unsuccessful. The
second attempt,
the string broke.
I should have bought a fishing cable, but you know how that goes.
I don't know how does it go.
You work with what you got.
To put that through, and use the magnets to bring the wires down. Wow.
Got it.
Don't snap, don't snap.
Put this, just put it down. Make sure it doesn't touch anything else. Please don't stop. Please don't stop. Oh, God. Please don't stop. Oh.
No. This is so suspenseful.
It's working. Yeah. Oh my God, it worked.
I thought that he drilled 2 big holes in our wall for nothing.
Anything is possible.
Our new table just arrived and we got to bring it up ourselves, so this should be interesting. Look like. Wish us luck.
Ready?
Wait. Let me do this my way. Let's go. Okay, here you go. Tighten that. Ta-da! Thanks, babe, for putting it together. It looks so good. Ta-da! Ta-da! Finally! This is the missing piece that they got wrong last time, or there was a different color than this one. And our couch is complete.
It is here.
Are you excited? Huh?
It is here. Would it be weird if it was longer than the cup?